Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the vibrant town of Vegreville, Alberta, a place where history, culture, and community come together in a beautiful prairie setting. Located in the heart of Alberta's agricultural region, Vegreville is a town that proudly celebrates its rich heritage and offers a warm, friendly atmosphere to all who visit. Vegreville was founded in the late 19th century, primarily as a farming community. The town's name is derived from the nearby North Saskatchewan River, which was originally called Rivière la Biche by early French explorers. Vegreville is situated in a region known for its fertile farmland and stunning natural beauty. The area is characterized by its flat, expansive landscapes and the gentle flow of the North Saskatchewan River, which provides a picturesque backdrop for the town. This rich agricultural land supports a variety of crops and livestock, forming the backbone of the local economy. The surrounding countryside is dotted with parks and green spaces, offering plenty of opportunities for outdoor activities and relaxation. The community in Vegreville is known for its strong cultural heritage and vibrant community spirit. The town is home to a large Ukrainian population, and this influence is evident in the local culture, festivals, and cuisine. The Vegreville Pysanka, a giant Easter egg, is a famous landmark and a symbol of the town's Ukrainian heritage. Whether you're exploring the local shops, enjoying a meal at a family-owned restaurant, or participating in community events, Vegreville offers a warm and inviting experience. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Vegreville, Alberta. You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. On a clear day, the sky here would normally be a bright blue, but smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It softens the light and gives the sky a pale, hazy appearance. Wildfire smoke can travel a long way and affect skies and air quality even in places far from the actual fires. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months.